whole life has changed ever since you came in. I knew way back then that you was heaven sent, angel here on earth. I love your mama for your birth.
What's up, TV crew? It's your lady Tia.
And your man Braxton.
It sounds weird doing that, but he's driving, y'all. He usually goes
Okay,
first.
we'll do it again.
No, it's okay. Well, anyways, y'all.
What's up, TV crew? It's your man Braxton.
And your lady Tia. And today we are going to do the shooting range. So I'm excited about that. We are going there. I just got off work. We are heading there. And then we are going to dinner. Where are we eating, babe?
I want to go to Leroy Fox.
Okay, so we're going to Leroy Fox. We will see
y'all. I
y'all.
want to get ice cream.
Ooh, that sounds good. You know I love some ice cream. I love dessert, y'all. So we will see y'all at the shooting range. Oh, I did hit it. Yay. That was a lot better than the first one.
Got another bullseye.
Yeah, she did good.
I only got 8 too.
That's from this one, right? Yeah.
I think you got it like 3 times.
Yeah, you did good.
Yeah, I got these 2. I'm actually doing good. I can't hear myself, so if I'm really loud, sorry. But babe's about to go. Babe, how you feeling?
I feel great.
They had to move us to lane 1, bay 1, because the light went out. So let's see how we do. Girl did good for her second time.
Here's mine. He ain't stand a chance. Look at this. All body and headshots on him.
Alright, y'all, we're heading out.
Steamed broccoli, chicken, and mashed potatoes. So we just finished dinner at Leroy Fox, and now we are on the way to get some ice cream.
Yes, I end up getting.
This little one's full.
You need to.
But I'm not.
I need to get. We end up getting the banana pudding, and then we're also gonna get some ice cream. So
it'll be fun. Let's look at the city. Oh, there's really not much to show.
It's going the other way.
Oh, there it is. Look at the city.
Downtown Charlotte. Oh yeah, it's right there. We were just talking about that. That's the Lowe's building. Come on to Jenny's with us.
We have arrived.
I used to honestly not like Jenny's.
Why?
I don't know. I thought they had like weird flavors. Because they had it in Ohio and I did not like it. But now it's really good.
For those that don't know, Jenny started in Ohio. That's why I love it. It's a little piece of home.
You better represent the O.
Always stay repping for the O.
Say it again. What's
Rain is dinosaur pee that has been cleaned naturally by the earth.
Who told you
Over
this?
and over and over.
Oh no. Who told you this?
My science teacher.
You y'all. Do y'all believe that? If so, drop down in the comments.
We'll look it up later.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. And never G-I-V-E-U-P and keep your U-P and keep your H-E-A-D-U-P and never G-I-E. Oh my goodness. Goodbye. Y'all, we made it back home. Oh my goodness. We made it back home. We got our Guinness. Which one did you get, babe? Let's show them.
Wild berry
Keep
lavender.
a shoe.
This is freezer burnt. I can still eat it though.
We were just talking about that. You have to adjust the camera. He got the blueberries, wild berry, and I got the buttercream birthday cake. If you haven't had one, y'all better get you one of them. I'm saving this for tomorrow. And for tonight, I ordered a banana pudding from Leroy's. It's kind of smushed during the car ride, but looks good. So we are about to shower, put our pajamas on, and watch a movie. So we will catch y'all tomorrow. Good evening, TV crew. Today is a new day. It is Saturday. We are about to make a TikTok because we are going to our friend's mother's 60th birthday. It's a 70s, 80s, and 90s theme. So we are dressed in as 70s. We will try to vlog all of today. So y'all can watch us do this TikTok that we're going to try to do our transformation, okay? It's alright. Okay, ready? That was actually good. That was actually good. Good job. That was actually good. All right, y'all. So I just finished showering. I'm about to start doing my makeup. I actually Googled 70s style looks. I'm gonna try to do that. I don't really wear eyeshadow. Only have like nude colors, and I'm wearing green and purple. So we'll see how this turns out, y'all. So we'll go. I'll be back once I finish all my foundation. All right, I'm back, y'all. This ain't no G unit, this is a dipset. This ain't no Cash Money, where you from, big boss? I ain't no dancing nigga, this ain't a sing-along, but I get my bands up, nigga, like Sean Diddy. Houston couldn't handle Carolina carefully. Rich kids in the city think they killers, it's embarrassing. I know, okay, so I'm gonna do this Diana Ross look. So I noticed a lot of them have like, it's mainly their bottom eyelashes that they do different. So I'm just gonna probably put some color on the bottom of it, put my eyelashes on, and that's it. I'm wearing lime green and purple. Y'all go check out the Project 1 and 2. It's on Apple Music. Babe, is it on anything else? It's everything? Everything. Spotify, point blank period, y'all. It is Lee Music, aka Braxton, your boy. This is my favorite song. Albert the Fresh Chair, yeah, you know that's me. I'm what the game needs, boy, I play for the keeps. I got my degree and now I'm running the streets. You better lace up, nigga, you not running with Lee. Gotta brace yourself, boy, straighten up like some teeth. Girl, don't play yourself, you fake chains. Hand-me-down clothes and them cornrow braids. Ramen on the stove and my pops work late. Socks coming home with them Air Force J's. Red flag hanging out and some friends from the south. I was up to no good, never staying in the house. And I wish a nigga would, yeah, you know what we about. I'ma catch him in the alley cause he like to run his mouth. If he scared, go to church. But he looking for that work. Yeah, I know I'm hella humble, but I used to go berserk. When I'm dusting off my shirt, real niggas eat first. I got real niggas in my corner, known them since birth. Do y'all ever wonder why when we do our makeup, you hold your like mouth open? I don't know if it's just me maybe, but I be like focused. I be like, shopping for like a celery, hotter than Me and my together like we were Siamese. You like the courage. I'm sure that you trying to battle me. Pray that I go to heaven. Bless the heaven 11. Slaying nothing but flavors. Take it like medicine. Look, he's starting to put his clothes on.
Well, they can't.
Missing what I'm saying. You gonna have to go where I ain't.
I don't know if they can see.
You can kind of see it.
You'll see it then.
Yeah. Oh, you smell good. Ooh. I've been drinking, only yakking the Cadillac, now I'm swinging. Rather tanning and banging. Niggas is out here slaying. Saying they got that whack, but I know these niggas is faking. Hey, get it poppin' like bacon. Well, watch these, not the Franklins. Tired of being patient. Baby, what you making? And I'm coming for the taking. Don't. Y'all, if you didn't know, I'm his wife and juror. I be promoting my man, period. I have him business cards and everything. Okay.
This one look great.
And I'm gonna pop it with the black mascara.
Look like you got a black eye now.
Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't. Yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna come back whenever I finish my eyeliner, or what is this called? Eyeshadow. Yeah, so I didn't do the top because it wasn't looking good. It looked like I had a black eye, so I'm just gonna do the bottom with the green, do some mascara, eyelashes, and I'll be done. Braxton's already done. He's going downstairs to get something to drink. Yeah, I like it. Let's get some eyelashes on. These look extra. I didn't even mean to buy these, but we gonna pull up in that Pikachu, throwing hella signs. 10 a.m. on Morrison, I'm rolling on it. Let them know we ain't to be. You feel me, TV crew? Cause little Leah's not a pacifist. Do y'all hear those bars? Like, just listen. Listen, Linda. You know the cap is fitted. Now they a victim to my illness like the pandemic. Ooh. You're a goddamn quarterback. Y'all, I listen to this album too much. Ooh, this song goes hard too. Cause he acted, Lord Jesus, let me try to put these on. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm done with my makeup. I just put green under my eyes, that's it. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on, but I will see y'all whenever I'm fully dressed. That's fine, that's fine.
Right, y'all, we are on the way to the party now, and I'm looking pretty good. Yeah, what y'all think?
Play that fucking music.
Yeah, call me Pootie Tang.
He left the net in his hand.
Yeah, I had to keep the net, so it looks like I'm a lunch lady. But I had to keep it in because if I don't, the afro becomes real wild and like not as authentic looking. This was the best I could do on short notice. But Tia is driving and we are on the way to the party. So we will let you guys know when we make it. Yeah. I know.
He kept the
see y'all in the video. This tastes like wood. Woo-wee. I'll be right back.
He gonna be, oh no.
15 minutes should be able to go ahead and let y'all know who won best dress of the night. So now we're about to start the game. Yes, we're ready. Who made the song? Midnight Star. Let's go.
To the gorgeous people behind the camera. I'm Brad Brooks, B-Roll Productions. If you need me in Charlotte, hit me up.
Yes.
All right, we are leaving the party. I enjoyed myself. Did you have a good time, honey?
Yeah, I did.
Wait.
It stinks out here, y'all. You're not even getting me, baby.
I'm not. Let me see.
So what were y'all drinking?
Tequila. It was tequila.
Oh.
But it was like a...
He said it was called
like
wood something.
Yeah, wood tequila or something. Like, that's the brand. Like, you know, like how they have, like, Patron, Don Julio, and stuff like that. That's what we were drinking. But I had 2 shots of that. I swear, that's straight rubbing alcohol.
And he took a lot.
Yeah, he had a lot. I had 2. But it was a good time, and we are heading home now. It's always good to see people get together and have a good time and just dance and laugh and enjoy each other's company. But we are on the way home, so we'll see y'all when we get there.
All right, TV crew, so we made it home.
Safe and sound.
Look how it's like, he already started taking his stuff out, but we made it home, y'all. We are going to log off. I hope y'all enjoyed our little 2-day weekend vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed us shooting at the gun range and then our 70s theme party.
So y'all make sure y'all be cool. Y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe to Table View.
Peace.
15 to forever, there's nobody that's better. You've been with me in the sun and the stormy weather. Want you to have my son.